Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 30th, 2019, and I want to show you today how to harvest your 4 o'clock tubers that they produce. Now, unfortunately, I did not get to plant these out. With everything that we had to do with the garden and getting in late this year with the stuff, I didn't get to plant these out in the ground, but they did still produce the tubers for me. Now these were started back in April, and you can see this right here is your 4 o'clock tuber. Now if you dig these out of the ground, you'll find a tuber like this if you had yours planted in the ground or transplanted into the ground. You should find that. So I'm just going to take these out of this container here. And my gardening season did not quite go this year the way that I wanted it to, and there was just some stuff that I just didn't get to plant. And I'm on my own with the camera today, so I'm doing this one-handed. I'm just going to get this out here, and you can see, even though it was in a little container like that, it did still produce a tuber. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to take and I'm going to put these on newspaper, and I'm going to let them dry. Now in the ground they will be much larger than this. And after they're dried, then I'm going to put them in a paper bag for storage. Now if you chose to, you could put these in with a little bit of soil just to make sure that they wouldn't dry out, but that's completely your choice. And then I can replant these again after the danger of frost has passed, and I'll have my 4 o'clock plants again. So this is another option if you don't want to start them from seed. Now in warmer climates, I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, but in warmer climates these can stay out in the ground and they will come back for you. Let's see this one here. Nice one here. So I'm going to finish getting these out here, and I'll come back and I will show you when I put them on the newspaper and how I store them. So we'll be back. So you can see here that I took the 4 o'clock tubers out. I have them laying on newspaper here to dry, and as soon as they're dry, then I'm going to store them in a paper bag, and I'm going to put the tags in with them so that I know what they are. And then when it starts getting closer to spring, I will replant them. Now one thing that I will do is I'm going to be checking on them to make sure that they're not drying out or that they're not rotting or anything like that. And I will do a video then for replanting them when it's time to. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.